Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about a best time management app according to me, which I feel is really awesome and you all also need to know about it. Now this will enhance your productivity. So if this is something that you are looking out for, then this is the video that you should be watching right now. Now please do not skip and go, because then you will not understand the video and the objectives. So this is Sonit from Techitrickle. So this is the rescue time dashboard that you are seeing. Now before we come to that, let's discuss about something. So if I may ask you, what is the total number of hours in a year? So the answer to that would be 8,760. And in a day, we know it's 24 hours. And how many hours do we sleep? It's of course 9 hours, if not more. So in a week, we multiply that by 7 and we get 63 hours. So that's the amount of hours we spend on sleep, let alone the hours that we spend on eating, on fitness, on reading magazines or news sites or whatever, and different other gossips with friend and those kind of things, spending time in social media and whatnot. So if we calculate those hours, the time that we get to work productive will not come to be more than 5 to 6 hours in a day. And yes, and we have so much to do. If we are in a business, we have to think about what to do, the projects, the goals, and there are so many other things. If you are an educator, you have lots to worry about. What would be the next subject that you would be teaching about? How would you do it? What would be the things that you need to teach? So on and so forth. So the thing that we can do with Rescue Time app is we can get a grasp of all those things that we are doing, right? Because right now people get distracted more than ever. This is in 2020 and our attention towards a particular task is very low. So now to make ourselves productive, and at the end of the day, if you want to get a smile on your face that yes, I have been productive, there are certain things that you need to do. So the best tool that I have come across in the past 2 days, I would say, I have not been using this before. I'm sorry, I should have come across this particular tool. So I am really excited to share this now with you. This is Rescue Time. Now I have been using this and just see on my dashboard the way it is actually giving me the results. So for the past 2 hours 16 minutes, this is what I have been doing. So I have spent time on my business on 38% of my time, 14% on shopping, and this is something then I realized, yes, I was on Amazon doing something, right? Shopping. Okay, 11% I spent on entertainment, so I was browsing some things, maybe news sites or something. 10% on utilities, and 10% which it cannot categorize it under any particular tower. So that really gives me a lot of information. Now if we go into details, we will find more such activities and more such things. So if I click on top activities, I get to know exactly what are those business things that I was looking into, what are those things I was looking into shopping, and so forth. Now there are a lot of things that you can see here, and there are a lot of details that you can see from the different hours. Like I was using my laptop from around 7 o'clock, okay, in the morning, and I have been recording right now. So the entire day it gives me what kind of things I am actually doing. Now how do I get to this? So that might be one of your questions. So on Google, if you type Rescue Time and hit enter, you would come across that website. So if you click that, it is the time tracking software as it says. So this is the first page that you would come across. So here is the sign in button which you can click to get through it. Now you can see here, even in PC Mag, it says that it is a 5-star rating and it is really productive. I am really surprised that I did not find this before. So as soon as I found it, I thought that yes, you should be really knowing this for tracking your time, and this is very important because for some of you time is really money. So there is a free access to it, and after that if you want you can enroll yourself towards the next higher features, and they really have some cool features which you should be looking into. And in case you are interested, I have the links below in the descriptions for you to go ahead and do the login. And in case you want some plans, you can definitely go ahead and check those plans. Of course they are affiliate, but it doesn't cost you any extra dollar. I do get some commissions out of it. So now if I go to rescue here and if I click on sign in, you need to provide an email ID, and then it's the usual process. You give a password and then you can log into this. Now once you click on login, what it will do is it will ask to get a particular application downloaded. So you don't need to get surprised like what it is, because it will have a interface. So let me show you that interface. So it is this kind of an interface where you can see that it gets installed in your system. Now why do you need that to be installed? So I would say that it actually tracks everything that you are doing here on your PC. Now for it to calculate that, for it to get those data, it needs to be installed in your system. So that's why you would have to install it. Okay, so once you install it and then you go and check your dashboard, after some time you will definitely get to see what you guys are doing. Now it can give you a daily report. You can fetch a weekly, monthly or yearly. It depends on what you want. So since I have been using it only for 1 or 2 days, I don't have those records, but definitely by time I will definitely procure those reports, and it will help me enhance my productivity further. Now if I come to the next things, so if I come to reports, you can see that if I want to see what applications and websites I have been visiting, I can definitely go ahead and check that. What are the categories? I can go ahead, I'll definitely show you all those, the productivity and your goals. So let me go one by one here. So under applications and websites, it will retrieve what all applications and websites I did make a visit to during that particular time, and it will also list out all these timings, like how much time I spent on each of these websites, and it will definitely also suggest that these are the categories that it thinks you can go ahead and definitely go ahead and change the categories. So for example, for Amazon it says very distracting. Yes, because I shouldn't be shopping during the time when I should be actually thinking about my business, right? So this is something that it really tells us what you should be doing. Okay, and it gives me fair idea how much time I'm spending on each of these activities per se. Now if I want to go to the categories, it will definitely show me the different categories that it can put your activities under. So for example, in my case it did under business, shopping, utilities, uncategorized, then entertainment, reference, and so on and so forth. So these are the categories. You can definitely go ahead and edit those categories, and you can add those categories as well. Now it also does show you the productivity, so it will tell you that how much hours you were productive. So in this case you can see the productivity pulse here that it shows as 64. So if you click on question mark, it does tell you what your pulse is about and what it actually relates to. So I think this is really gold that I am actually getting here. So it does tell me that for 1 hour 17 15 minutes I was really productive. And why? If I want to ask myself, if I click here, it will take me to all those places that it feels that I have been doing those things which might be productive. Okay, and you can also create an alert, or you can create a goal. So if I want to go and click on your goals, you can go ahead and create your own goal, that what you want to specify as. So, and then you can go ahead and track that and see if you are meeting your goals. Okay, and I feel that we should be doing it, and I will definitely set up a goal for myself and see if I can achieve that goal. So when I click on set a new goal, you see this pop up. So if you see here, more than so much hours a day, all productive time during this hours, what is this? Why is this goal important, right? So you can set it up as such, like this. So less than or more than so many hours a day, you want to say that it is something that you don't want to spend time on, or you want to spend time on. It depends how you want to set your goals as. Okay, so there's another part here, that is focus time. So focus time is something that you will get in a premium version, so you need to upgrade that. The link is down below. In case you feel that yes, this is definitely good stuff, then definitely go ahead and see and check it out for yourself, maybe for a few months, and see if you are getting some improvement out of that. Now what is this? So here what you will get is, you will be able to block few of your applications or websites that you feel that during that particular range of hours you do not want it to get access to. So for example, you want to say you want to block Facebook, right? You don't want to get yourself distracted going into Facebook different pages or groups, or who has posted what, right? So what you can do is, you can have it configured in this part here and under focus time, and then you will see that if you want to go to Facebook, it will block you from going there. So that is what it says here, and block YouTube here. So you can go ahead and do that. You can also block different news sites and different other social media channels that you would want the attention not to get diverted to. So I feel overall, if you may ask me, this is something that all of us should be having, and I am really sure, because I have been using Trello for a long time, and Trello doesn't give you a time tracking tool. So I will now use this rescue time along with Trello, and that will definitely boost my performance and my productivity. Because see, in a day, it's not more than 5 hours or 6 hours you can keep yourself concentrated towards your particular goal, right? And each one of us should be having a day specific goal that we should set, and then we should try to achieve that. And of course, rescue time will definitely help you in achieving your goals, right? So just make it a try and let me know in the comments below if it was definitely helpful for you guys. Okay, and if you want me to go deeper into this, let me know. I will definitely try to help you out on that as well. So I have 2 videos right now popping up on your screen. Those are related to Trello. So make sure that if you want to improve your productivity, you should definitely go ahead and check and start using Trello from now on. So till the next time, bye bye.